Hi besties! For today's tour, dadalhin namin kayo sa napakagandang lugar ng Bukidnon. If you're looking for adventure and relaxation, perfect spot in Bukidnon. From exploring beauty mountains to enjoying local delicacies, tara, samahan niyo kami as we discover the beauty of Bukidnon. We visited Ipasugong Tourism, Giant Statue, Rubber Stain, Pineapple Marker, the Haunted Pineapple Plantation, Clubhouse, the large communal ranch na safe sumakay ng kabayo, at the Ilayan Forest Park and Adventure, where you can play at Rainbow Slide, Laser Black Fountain Coaster, Fixed Jump, Drop Zone, Drop Fair, 840-meter zipline, 320-meter zipline, rope course, at Python roller zip. And there's more! Mini golf, Highway Bridge, Forest Lodge, go-kart, bumper boat, at marami pang iba. Sulit at enjoy ang buong pamilya. So what are you waiting for? If you want this kind of experience, book na sa Wonder Wave. 10 out of 10 to. Promise!